Wala tayong pera ha, pero mas mahal pa yan kasi sa pera. Basahin mo lahat yan.
Thank you, thank you.
Basahin mo lahat.
Ay, ang dami naman ta.
Bukas pa yun matatapos. Kaya mo yung basahin naman.
Hindi pa naman ako, hindi ako marunong. Ikaw pa rin magbabasa nito ba?
Hindi, malalaki yan. Nakaprint yan ng malaki. Tingnan mo nga. Basa ka.
Happy birthday night. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng pag-aalalay mo nan sa amin tatlong magkapatid. Ano man ang meron kami ngayon, iyon ay dahil sa happy birthday to my super girl in this world. From Amor and Junil. Family with love and kisses. I from your sapping son. Ang dami pala nito na.
Buong angka niya yan.
Ay, ba't pinaiyak niyo ako eh. Kay Faith, to my beloved nanay, happy birthday. Kahit saan nalayo pa ako, may nag-thought and you in your special day. Enjoy your special day, nanay. So world can explain how much we love you, nanay. Ingat po always. Again, happy birthday, nanay. I love you. I thank you. Kung basahin mo nga ito, be. Para mabawi itong luha ko. Kanina ito galing. Kaya tayo, sige nga, basa. Na ano, pinaiyak niyo ako eh. Guidance you've given us, you'll always be our source of strength and inspiration, and we are so blessed to have you in our lives. Your kindness, sacrifice, will go unrequited, and today is the perfect time to celebrate you. We wish you more year of good health, joy and blessing. Sana lahat ng prayer ay wish mo matupad ang may continue to shower your with the love and protection. You truly deserve all the happiness in the world. Tonight, enjoy your special day, surrounding by family and friends who love you and so much. Always remember how appreciate and love you. And just, wag na nga.
Mamaya na lang yung iba sa kwarto mo. Ilahin na.
Ayaw mo na, Nay?
Iyak ko. Naiiyak ako eh.
Mamaya na lang yung
Oo. Oo.
Pinaiyak nyo naman ako eh.
Okay lang, may kumot ka naman ba? From Joy, happy birthday to the most amazing nanay. Thank you for being in the heart of our family and the person who loves us unconditionally. You deserve all the happiness in the world because you're giving us nothing but love and care. May your day be as beautiful as you are, and may the year ahead bring you peace, joy, and all the blessing you deserve. Wish you nothing but the best. Iwasan na ang rice. Always take your maintenance. We love you so much, Mother. Ay, naku, bakit ito naisipan? Naiyak tuloy ako. Pero ang iyak ko, hindi nalulungkot. Tears of happiness yan. Pati si Divine. Happy birthday, my grandma. And I want you to know that you are perfect and like it. The way we are grateful to have you in our life, and we love you so much. And you are a good mother in my father when he was a little kid, and I love you so much, and I wish that you are always by our side and to live longer. Happy birthday, Nanay. We love you so much. Love, Divine. Ay, naku. Bato. AJ, happy birthday, Nay. Thank you for the love and support that you're giving to me. Thank you for taking care of me. That you for being happy for the achievement that I got, whether it's big or small. I'm so blessed that I have the best grandmother in the world. I wish you a good love, and I hope you live long. I hope you're still here in my journey. I love you, Nay. I will always be the best.